Alright guys, so let's delve a little deeper into Wan Yuen Chor Hoi, the emergence of the chaotic origin, and what could it possibly be, and why are we doing moves for, right? Remember, this is a deep tower system, so we need to dig deep into knowledge, and it's the ancient knowledge that Wan Yuen belongs to, so we need to go into every type of study, breaking down man in the realm here on earth and heaven above. So if you look at the fucking light, look at that fucking light. Oh, well, it doesn't matter. Right, I'll just show you. Right, so when we do the opening and our arms are up, we create a vortex where our feet are as well. There's a vortex. So energy's coming up also through the feet, right, to the heart at the center there, and it's green. Travels up, spirals up and around, comes back down, and goes back with the red, because everything is atoms, right? Frequency. That's what we're trying to do, raise that frequency. And we are all atoms, and we are all torus fields. Circle, two circles, and then comes up like that. And if that's our legs, we put a head there. There's that, but we've also got the actual DNA strand. Right. Just what I'll send that to you, and that could just open your mind a little bit more to what we're doing and what we're trying to achieve in doing the form slow and relaxed, right? Because when you're doing it slow and relaxed, now you can really get that sensing and feeling of the chi, the electricity chi. All right.